So here's how you can have the iPhone and the mail on the iPhone to notify you about specific emails, right? So let me show you how you can set that up. If you are new here on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe for tutorials and explanations like this one. So at first, you can literally open up the mail app on your device and see a couple of messages which show up right away. And what you're going to do is to hold down on any message as such. And when the more options pop up, you can see we have, for example, the ability to click on a notify me. And this just means that that particular person, or the thread will, deliver a notification. And you can as well select multiple chats at the same time and hold it down on multiple of them and click on notify me for multiple of them, right? So that is how you can manually select the threads or the conversations or even like the person sending you the message to be a part of the things which you want to receive notifications about. But you can as well open up settings and find the apps at the bottom from which you select mail, obviously, and in there you can manage notifications. So that is supposed to be enabled, of course. That is like a prerequisite. So you need to have the notifications allowed, as well as the specific type, whether you want to receive it as banners or on the lock screen. But below you also have customize notifications. And right inside in here, you also get to decide some additional things. Like, for example, if you want to be notified about using the badge about all unread messages or only those which are in the primary, right? That's interesting to know. And also, for example, if you use multiple accounts, you can turn off the alerts for one account and keep it for the other. And at the bottom, you have the remind me section, so you can as well just enable it, the alerts in here as such. And also the primary inbox, you can enable the alerts for that if you want to. So, if you organize your mail and have stuff in the primary, you can basically decide that all of those things will deliver notifications to you. So I hope it makes sense. I really hope that I can help you out with it. At the end of the day, if you don't feel like the app is doing a great job, you can switch to a different mail client, like switch to Gmail app or anything else. But yeah, let me know what you think. Subscribe for more, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.